Hey sleepers, I'm Zach, sleep expert at Tuck. Today we'll be taking a look at the Diamond Intention Hybrid Mattress. Diamond is a family-owned and operated business that's been producing and manufacturing beds for over 80 years. They have a wide lineup of products, and the Diamond Intention is one of their more popular models. But how does it stack up to Tuck's tests? Stay tuned to find out. If you like what we're doing and find any of our videos helpful, let us know. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And if you sign up for our newsletter, you'll be automatically entered into our monthly giveaway. Check the card above my shoulder for more information. All right. For this mattress review, we brought in some outside help to show how the mattress performs for different body types and to hear additional opinions from a variety of voices. Assisting us today, we have lightweight sleeper Tess, average weight sleeper Nicholas, and heavyweight sleeper Jerica. Setting up the Diamond Intention Hybrid Mattress is easy. We recommend having a friend around because even though the mattress arrives in a box, it's a bit bulky and heavy for one person. Move the mattress to its final destination, unwrap it, and watch it come to life. Recovery should happen within the first 12 hours, but give it as much as 48 hours to fully recover. There may be some off-gassing when it's first removed from its packaging, but it should dissipate within the first week. The Diamond Intention is a 14-inch hybrid mattress. The cover is made from a PCM, which is a phase change material. The comfort layers are composed of 1.5 inches of plush foam quilted into the cover, over 1.5 inches of graphene-infused memory foam, and 2 inches of transitional polyfoam. The zone support core consists of 8 inches of 14-gauge zoned pocketed coils, over 1 inch of high-density polyfoam. The middle of the support core is additionally wrapped to provide extra support in the middle third of the mattress. The support core rests in a foam encasement to reinforce the edges. The Diamond Intention Hybrid comes in multiple firmness options: plush, medium, and firm. Today we'll be testing out the medium. It's a 5.5 out of 10 on the firmness scale, making it a medium mattress. The Diamond Intention feels like a plush hybrid. You will sink into the plush foam quilted into the cover, but despite the 5 inches of comfort layers, you won't sink too deeply in this mattress. In true hybrid fashion, you'll feel a mixture of sleeping in and on this mattress. The mattress is responsive in that the foams and coils rebound quickly, but it's not particularly bouncy. To measure support, we look at the spinal alignment of each of our sleepers when sleeping on their side. We found the Diamond Intention Hybrid to offer worthy support for all of our sleepers. The zoned pocketed coil support system provides extra reinforcement for the midsection of the body, while allowing the shoulders and hips to sink a little deeper. You can see all of our sleepers were well supported, with our light and average weight sleepers receiving the most support. Motion isolation refers to how well a mattress isolates or absorbs motion. Mattresses with strong motion isolation prevent sleep partners from disturbing each other at night. To illustrate this, we place a glass of water on one end of the bed and have our heavyweight sleeper move around on the opposite side. As you can see, there is some motion with the water in the glass, but it was minimal. Hybrids with their coil support core are generally more responsive beds, but the Intention's 5 inches of foam comfort layers really help tamp down and absorb motion across the surface of the bed. Even when testing the bed with multiple people tossing and turning on the mattress, we noticed very little motion. Edge support refers to how much your mattress holds you up or pushes back against you while sitting on or sleeping close to the side of the bed. Mattresses with worse edge support are harder to get in and out of and may leave sleepers feeling as though they may roll off. We did experience some sinkage while sitting along the edge of this bed, but that's just the Intention's 5 inches of comfort foams compressing. After the initial sink, you meet some very solid edge support. The foam encasement around the perimeter of the bed kept us propped up and secure. When lying along the edge, we felt equally stable, and no one feared rolling off. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to look at how well a mattress relieves pressure on the body. You'll notice the scale goes from blue to green to yellow to red, indicating increased amounts of pressure pushing back against each sleeper. When it hits red, there's a higher likelihood of reduced blood flow in those specific sections of the body. Our testing found that the foam in the comfort layers gave enough sink to help relieve pressure across all sleep positions and weights. You may notice the slightest bit of pressure on our lightweight sleeper's shoulders when lying on her side, due to her sharp frame, but overall had great readings. Our average weight sleeper had similar shoulder pressure while side sleeping, but it was minimal and overall looked great. And our heavyweight sleepers' readings looked great across the board. Temperature neutrality refers to how well a mattress disperses heat from your body, allowing for breathability and airflow. We found the Diamond Intention Hybrid to sleep fairly cool. The coil support core allows for plenty of airflow, and the graphene-infused memory foam and the phase change cover help regulate temperature and dissipate heat. All of those features combine to create a cool sleep surface for all of our sleepers. Now let's take a minute to check in with our sleepers. Jerica, what do you think of the Diamond Intention Hybrid?
I love it. It's great. It's just so yummy.
It seems soft, especially when I get on it, it's very firm. Like it goes down, but it's still firm.
This mattress is a dream. I just love that laying down on it, I just feel like I'm on a pillow that's like perfectly made for me.
Temperature, did it warm up? Did it maintain its temperature?
It was pretty neutral. I'm sure if I was running hot, it would keep me cool though.
So how about getting close to the edge on this mattress? Did you ever feel like you were gonna roll off? Did you feel like you were getting enough support?
Not at all. I felt very supportive. If I could say one thing about this bed, it feels like stability.
What was your favorite position on this bed?
On my back.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
You're not a back sleeper traditionally, right?
Right. Finding that maybe I have slept on my stomach more of my life because I've always had mattresses that were too firm.
Gotcha.
But now that I've experienced a softer mattress, it's actually more comfortable to be on my back. Like at least when I lay on it, like all my, body pain just goes away.
Wow.
It just like kind of floats away and I feel immediately relaxed.
All right, well, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Now let's take a look at how the Diamond Intention Hybrid Mattress stacked up in our mattress tests. Support was very good for our lightweight and average weight sleepers, and good for our heavyweight sleeper. Pressure relief was very good across all sleeper weights, motion isolation was good, and edge support and temperature neutrality were very good. Here are a few takeaways based on our mattress testing. The Diamond Intention has a traditional hybrid feel. It strives for that best of both worlds feel between an inner spring and an all-foam mattress, so you will get a mix of sleeping in and on this bed. If you know you like the deep sink feel associated with memory foam, this bed may not be for you. Heavyweight sleepers may prefer the firmer model. While Jerica enjoyed the medium Diamond Intention, other heavyweight sleepers may prefer the additional support the firm version will provide. Stomach sleepers may also prefer a mattress with supplemental support. While the mattress is initially comfy for some stomach sleepers, there are 5 inches of comfort foams. As those soften up and break in, the mattress may start to sink too much for stomach sleeping. The firm model should be an improvement, but some may want to look at a mattress with a thinner comfort layer. Here are a few recommendations based on our mattress testing. Diamond offers the Intention Hybrid and 3 firmness levels. We reviewed the medium, but there is also a plush model, which is geared towards lightweight sleepers, and a firm option as well. So if you are on either side of the medium scale, there's options for you. Light and average weight side sleepers will enjoy the comfort the Intention Hybrid provides without compromising support. The reinforced middle support core gives sleepers a sturdy base, while the plusher comfort layers hug enough to reduce pressure points on the shoulders and hips. If you or your partner sleep warm, consider choosing the Diamond Intention Hybrid Mattress. The cooling knit cover, pocketed coils which allow airflow, and Diamond's graphene-infused sparkle foam in the comfort layers work to dissipate any accumulating warmth on the mattress. If your sleeping style is to lay right along the edge of the bed, the Intention will keep you locked into position without the fear of rolling off. The reinforced foam edges provide additional support to an already strong edge. This is also an attribute for sleepers with aches and pains. Strong edge support makes it easier to get in and out of the bed without causing stress on sore areas. Before purchasing the Diamond Intention Hybrid Mattress, here's some additional information you'll want to know. It comes with a 120-night sleep trial, free shipping in the contiguous US, and a lifetime warranty. For the lowest prices available, check the description below. That's it for our Diamond Intention Hybrid Mattress review. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. Visit tuck.com to view the full written review and to continue your sleep search. If you'd like a personalized recommendation from our team, please comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. As always, sleep well.